Hi, this is Ashley with DLT. Welcome back to Warehouse Wednesday. So today I'm going to be interviewing the guys in the warehouse to get to know them. They've been on all these videos, but I feel like you guys don't actually know who they are. I will be asking the guys a few questions like what their name is, how long they've been here, and what their favorite thing about working here is. Along with each of the guys are going to be giving a fun fact. So let's go check it out.
Hi, my name is Blake Elkins, and I have worked at DLT since March of this year. Best thing that I like about working here is the co-workers that I have. They're all laid back and they're goofy and they're funny. The fun fact about me, I have a 2-year-old son, and I've been going to school. Actually, I just graduated from IMS, which is Illinois Media School, for broadcasting, but I also have an associate's degree in criminal justice.
Hi, my name is Guillermo Polito. I am the warehouse supervisor here at DLT Upholstery Supply. I've been working here for about 8 years. My favorite thing about working here is the fast-paced work environment. That is, every day it's something different, and it's always fast-paced. Fun fact about myself: I am currently training to run in the Disney 5K.
Hello, my name is Fabian Lichtai. I've been working at DLT for roughly 17 years. Best thing I like working here, I get to give my fellow employees and the customers a hard time every time they come in there, just joking around with them. All right, one of the things a lot of people don't know about me, I grew up on a farm in Kansas. I have 8 brothers and 3 sisters.
Hi y'all, my name is Michael Whitworth. I've been working at DLT for over 6 years now. And my favorite thing about working here is dealing with the upholsters and dealing with the upholstery products. The fun fact about me is that I'm also an upholsterer. So after I get off here, I go home and I do upholstery. Thank you.
All right, I want to give a shout out to the last guy, Michael. He is all the way in Kentucky. Unfortunately, I never get to videotape him because he's not in the Chicago warehouse where I do all my filming, but he sent me that video, so thank you again. And thanks to the guys in the back for always giving me something to videotape. They're always so fun. Thank you and have a great day. Please like, comment, and share.